hope you are all settled in your bays, ready to enjoy Maha Shivaratri. If so, make some noise. And while you're here, a reminder that you've got the QR code on your wristbands. Take the time now to download the Miracle of Mind app and stand by for a special announcement by Sadhguru later tonight. The Honorable Union Minister for Home Affairs and the Minister of Cooperation, Shri Amit Shah, together with Sadhguru, at the Adiyogi now. In yogic culture, ladies and gentlemen, Shiva is not seen as a god, but as Adiyogi, the first yogi and the originator of yoga. Over 15,000 years ago, predating all religion, Adiyogi transmitted the profound science of yoga to his first disciples, the 7 sages or Saptarishis. He expounded 112 ways through which human beings can transcend their limitations. The Home Minister offering mother soil or taiman, as it is known in Tamil, and water to the Mahilam plant near the Yogeshwara Linga. The leaves, root and stem of the Mahilam plant have several medicinal properties and are commonly used and prescribed in Ayurveda. The offering of this special occasion is an expression of our commitment to revitalize and save the world's dying soil. We hope to have your continued support from around the world for Sadhguru's vision of revitalizing soil. Shri Amit Shah now making an offering of Kailash Tirtha to the Yogeshwara Linga near Adiyogi. The Kailash Tirtha, water collected near the south face of the sacred Mount Kailash. The Yogeshwara Linga, consecrated by Sadhguru through an intense and powerful process of Prana Pratishtha at the Isha Yoga Center. In the backdrop of the linga, you can see the Saptarishi panel, masterfully engraved granite relief depicting Adiyogi's first 7 disciples. Established as the manifestation of the 5 major chakras in the human system, the Yogeshwara Linga's energies support one's sadhana and allow one to experientially explore dimensions beyond the physical. Sadhguru, taking our chief guest around the Yogeshwara Linga and coming towards the stage from where we will soon begin our celebrations. The Mahayoga Yagna will be lit by the Honorable Minister for Home Affairs before the resplendent 112-foot Adiyogi, symbolizing our commitment to offer yogic sciences irrespective of race, religion, gender, caste and creed to every human being. Sadhguru's vision of raising human consciousness and helping to enhance an individual's mental and physical well-being through yogic tools for transformation has resulted in millions of people benefiting from free yoga programs. It is a good moment for us to mention here that at Isha there are several initiatives and offerings undertaken by the volunteers to offer these yogic tools for transformation to everyone. A reminder, ladies and gentlemen, to stay alert for a very special announcement by Sadhguru later tonight on a special free offering to enhance one's mental well-being.
Rudra Maheshwara Bhujanga Nilakantaya Devaya
Maheshwara